Hi, I thought that would be fun. It was. I am a stay-at-home mom with 6 streams of income. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Lindsay. So like I said, I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 cute little kids. Before I had kids, I had a corporate job, a 9-to-5 job, and I hated it. Not necessarily the job, but I just hated working 9 to 5. And I was just so ready to be done and to have a baby, because that's just what, in my head, I thought this is what I always have wanted to do. So then I had a baby, and it was great. I loved being a mom. I loved it all. But fairly quickly after having a kid, I realized I actually did like working. And not working like a 9-to-5 job, but I liked working in a sense. I liked feeling like I was financially contributing to the family. And don't get me wrong, I know that being a stay-at-home mom is contributing to the family. Like, I get that. But I think maybe if you're a mom, you can kind of relate to this. I felt sometimes maybe guilty if I wanted to buy like a shirt or something that I didn't really need, but I just wanted something fun. I would feel guilty sometimes spending money on something like that when it wasn't me earning the money or helping out anymore. Do you know what I mean? My baby's playing in the toilet. Hold on a second. Being a mom's really fun. So yeah, I would just feel guilty at times, and I just felt like I wanted to work on something for myself still, in addition to being a mom and having a baby to take care of, because I loved that, but I also kind of missed the working aspect. So I did something about it. This is the one who gets into the toilet and in all my drawers and into everything. Here's my other one. I called it my fun money, and actually I still call it fun money, but basically if I wanted to buy a shirt or whatever it was that I didn't really need, but it was fun and I wanted to buy it, I wanted to feel like I earned it. I wanted some sort of income where I could buy fun things every now and then and I wouldn't feel guilty about it. And I didn't have to do this, but it's something that I just wanted for myself. So now fast forward 3 years, it's been 3 years since I've had a baby, and I now have 6 little streams of income coming in that I can use, and I don't feel guilty about it. They're not like huge streams of income. I still am like a stay-at-home mom. I still feel like that's like my full-time job, but I figured out 6 little ways that I can make some money as a stay-at-home mom, and it is like the best thing ever. It has helped so much. It's helped me have like something personal that I can work on in addition to being a mother. It's helped my marriage. I feel like finances are usually something that's like a contentious topic at times, or it can be. So it's really helped in that department too. It's just like given me motivation. I've learned a ton throughout the process of starting different things and figuring out different things. I just like, it's been the best ever. So I wanted to just share with you guys my 6 ways that I make money. So the first way that I make money, and this is how I make the majority of my money, is I started an Etsy shop about 3 years ago. And I've made a couple videos about Etsy and what I do and tips and tricks. So if you're interested about Etsy or about starting a shop, I'll link those videos down below. But we found out that I was pregnant and that we were having a baby girl, so I started making bows. And you don't need a lot of fabric to make a bow, but you can't just buy like a little strip of fabric. So I had all this leftover fabric, and I thought, what should I do with this? And I thought, oh, I'll just put them up on Etsy and see what happens. And it did really well. So my shop has kind of evolved over the years. I don't do bows anymore, but I've had different products in and out of the shop, and it has been so fun. It's like my 3rd child. I feel like I have learned a lot through Etsy, business-wise and just like customer service, and I've learned a new skill, like I've gotten better at sewing. It's just been like super, super great. So Etsy may be something to consider starting. There are so many different things you can sell on Etsy. If you like graphic design, you can make prints. If you like sewing, you can make like handmade goods. I think it used to be only like handmade stuff, but I believe now you can like source stuff and have like a little shop. I know I've seen some like thrift shops on there where people go and source thrifted goods, and then like an online thrift store, so that's pretty cool. So maybe look into that, because it's been super great for me and such a great little income, and it's just been really fun. So the second way I make money is through AdSense on YouTube, just the ads that get put on my videos. I earn some money off of those. And YouTube, I love YouTube so much. I have been on here for a few years now, and I don't make like a ton of money off of it, but I love making videos. I loved making videos ever since I was little. I'd make all my friends make music videos with me. I've just always like had a camera or video camera in my hands. It's just so fun for me. So I'm so grateful that I get to do this as like a part-time job. It's just the best. So if you've ever thought about making a YouTube channel, do it. And I didn't make a YouTube channel thinking, okay, I'm gonna make a channel and I'm gonna make so much money. I think if that was my mindset, I would have quit years ago, because it's taken me quite a few years to even get to where I am right now. I know some people start and maybe they like skyrocket right away, but I would think that the majority of people on YouTube aren't like that. So just takes patience, just takes making a lot of videos, getting yourself out there. But yeah, it's really fun. I love that this is something that I get to do. The third way I make money is through brand deals. Sometimes that's on YouTube. Sometimes a company will reach out and say, hey, we'll give you this or pay you this amount of money, and then in exchange, I'll make a video either about it or include it in my video if it's like a product. So sometimes that's through YouTube, sometimes it's through Instagram. So you don't have to have a YouTube channel. But yeah, that's the third way I make money, is sometimes brands will reach out and ask if I will, do a post about something or make a video about something, and then I get a little money from them. So the fourth way that I make money is through affiliate links. And if you look around, there are quite a few places that have like affiliate programs where you can like share a link, kind of like referral programs, and you get some money back if friends sign up or buy things, that type of deal. I kind of stick to just like two different programs, just because it can kind of get overwhelming. But I do reward style. A lot of different retailers have partnered with reward style. So if I'm wearing something and someone asks, where did you get that? I can send them a link through reward style, so that if they purchase what I'm wearing, I'll get a little tiny commission off of that. So reward style, and I also do Amazon affiliates and the Amazon Associates Influencer Program, whatever it's called. Anyone can sign up for it. But basically, if you like something on Amazon and want to share that link with others, you can share it through your Amazon Associates account, and you'll get a little commission off of that. So that's kind of fun. I don't make a ton of money off of that because it's really, really small commissions. But it's fun, once a month getting a random Amazon gift card or whatever. It's kind of a fun little surprise to use because I shop Amazon all the time. The fifth way that I make money is through reselling stuff, primarily my clothes. I have a Poshmark account, and I've also done eBay before, but basically if I look through my closet, want to clean out some stuff, I'll sell some stuff on Poshmark to make a little extra money. Or I haven't done this a ton because it's really hard. Props to everybody who does this. But if I go to Goodwill and I see something that's like, oh, that's actually like a really good brand, or that's really cool, I think I can resell that, I might buy it and then put it on Poshmark or put it on eBay. I've done that a few times where I found something for like super cheap, but I know that I can sell it for more. I'll resell. I know people who like, this is their full-time job, or not full-time job, but they like do it a ton and you can make some good money. So the sixth way that I make money is through videography and photography. Since I do YouTube and I've just like loved making videos my whole life, I have a nice camera. I know how to work it. I don't do it too often. I did it more when I was in college, but I would film a few weddings. I would take some family pictures. I know how to do it, so if somebody asks, I will sometimes do that and get paid, which is super nice. So if you have a skill, a marketable skill, I think everybody has a marketable skill. You just have to kind of figure out what it is. So sometimes I just use that skill of knowing how to work a camera and make some money that way. So yeah, those are just my 6 little ways that I get a little additional source of income for myself while being a stay-at-home mom, while not having a corporate 9-to-5 job. Before I end, I just wanted to share something that I really love. I listen to the podcast, The Allison Show. If you've never heard of it, listen to it. So motivational. But she talks about a lot this idea of you have way more resources than you know. So basically the exercise that she says to do is kind of step out of your body and look at your life as if you were a friend or just like not yourself, and think, okay, what resources can this person use to reach their goal? So in this case, if I'm saying your goal is to make more money, think about, okay, what do I have around me? Who do I know that can help me reach this goal? You have more resources than you know. Honestly, if you want to make money, you can do it. Like, there are so many different ways to make money. Just off the top of my head and just like brainstorming with my husband, we came up with like a whole list of ways that you can make money. Sales. I have several friends who do like direct sales for beauty brands or makeup brands, and kill it because they're just so personable. They love what they do. They love sharing the products that they use. You are a person, everybody here. Maybe you like kids and you have a couple free hours on the weekend sometimes. Go babysit. I know Ryan has a coworker who she babysits sometimes, and you can make some good money babysitting. Or if you don't like kids but you like animals, you can animal sit. Go dog or cat sit for somebody. Maybe you're super smart or really good at a subject. You can tutor, sign up to be a tutor. Maybe you got a really good score on the ACT. Be an ACT teacher. People pay a lot of money for tutors. Maybe you like manual work. Go start a lawn mowing business, and if you don't have a lawnmower, I'm sure there's somebody that you know who could like lend you a lawnmower to start your business, and then you can eventually buy your own. Maybe you love exercising. Go get certified in yoga or in high fitness or in some class, and then go teach it somewhere. I think sometime in the future I want to do that, because that's just like the best of both worlds. You get a workout and you get paid to work out. Do you have a good car and like driving? Be an Uber driver on the weekends, or any of those other delivery apps like Uber Eats or Postmates or DoorDash. Maybe set up a little car washing spot on the weekends and wash people's cars or detail people's cars. I have seen people who start a car detailing business. They'll like go find moms with these huge nasty minivans with a bunch of kids and crumbs everywhere, and they'll detail their car. I would pay for that. I would pay for someone to come clean all the nasty bits out of my car. So yeah, that's just a little short list. There are thousands of ways to go make money. So if you really want to, go do it. Go do it. Go find what resources that you have and just make it happen, because it's really fun making money. That is it for this video. Just wanted to share my 6 ways I make a little extra money on the side. Hopefully this was helpful. Maybe it inspired you to try something new. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Feel free to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!